Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this Hauibela swimming goggles. Anti-foog swimming goggles, of course. Waterproof, ultraviolet protective lenses, wide and clear field of vision or view is included. Comfortable, adjustable, unisex for adults, unpolarized or polarized on the market, available in black polarized or in white polarized, or as you can see in black unpolarized for professional use, of course. With here in HD and anti-foog technology, this swimming goggles uses the latest high definition anti-foog technology. The anti-foog layer can effectively protect our lenses from against fog and reduce the condensation of the water vapor. This allows us to always enjoy a clear view underwater and move undisturbed in the water or through it. We, of course, have to remove the outer protective film of the lens before we first use the goggles, of course. And you see, it looks really cool, isn't it? But there's more. It's not only the cool effect of this, it's an adaptive light filter. That means UV protection. These swimming goggles are equipped with a neutral gray lens and have an excellent ultraviolet protection function. It can block the UVA and the UVB rays and protect our eyes from harmful from the sun rays which are getting onto our lenses, and that's not good because these goggles here can protect us against that. And of course, they're water resistant. The rim of the glass frame is made of high-quality silicone material that adapts to the contours and the contours of our face and offers an excellent tightness. It can effectively prevent water from entering and ensure that the eyes remain dry while swimming. And with a double belt design, the swimming goggles are equipped with the straps on both sides, which allows the wearing of comfort to be quick adjusted to. The design with the particles on the double straps increases the stability, so the goggles are easy to adjust and adapt well to the shape of the head for a maximum of comfort. And yeah, you can see, you can use this with 3 options of adjustment around your nose. That means if you have a big face, no prop for it, smaller face, no prop, or a medium face, no prop. But the big thing here is we have a non-slip design, adjustment sliders on the side. It's design made of the silicone materials and anti-foog coating on top, and a polarized filter with the UV filter. That means we have 3D silicone seal, strong suction power, no stinging, no leakage, anti-foog, panoramic view, clear, broad view, the wide field of view included. Excellent anti-foog protection. The anti-foog coating on the inside minimizes the likelihood of the glazing. That's cool. That's these goggles. This is the Hauibela swimming goggles. Anti-foog swimming goggles. Waterproof, ultraviolet protective lenses with a wide and a clear field of view. Comfortable, adjustable, unisex for all out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!